Welcome back to the Data Analyst. Today we are diving into something that play a huge role in many areas of our lives. Time series analysis. But what exactly is it and why should you care? Well, let's break it down. What is time series analysis? As its core, time series analysis is a method used to study data points that are collected or recorded over a period of time. The key element here is time. This means that time is not just a background variable but plays a central role in understanding how things change. For an example, think about daily stock prices. Weather conditions over months or even sales numbers for product every week. Time series analysis help us understand trends, cycles and patterns in such data. So why is time series analysis important? Well, the ability to analyze how data evolves over time gives us insight into trends, pattern, and even help in forecasting future behavior. By knowing the past and current trends, you can make informed decisions and predictions. Imagine you are running a business and want to forecast your future sales. Time series analysis can help you predict sales trend based on historical data, giving you the power to make data-driven decisions. Time series analysis has a wide range of applications across different fields. Let's take a look at a few examples. In finance, it's used to predict stock prices, analyze economic data, and forecast sales. In weather forecasting, meteorologists used it to predict future weather patterns. In healthcare, it helps track the spread of diseases over time or monitor patients' vitals. In manufacturing, it is used to track production levels or equipment efficiency over time. In energy sector, help in forecasting electricity demand or oil production. So how do you actually perform time series analysis? There are a number of powerful software tools that can help you with this. Let's take a look at some of the most popular options. R. R is a popular tool with several packages like Forecast and T-Series that allow advanced time series modeling and forecasting. SAS. SAS offers built-in procedures like Proc Arima and Proc Time Series for handling large-scale time series data. Python. Python build libraries like Pandas, Stat Models, and Propert is another great option for time series analysis. Excel. Excel allows basic time series analysis using functions like forecast or creating time series scales. EViews. EViews is widely used for econometric analysis, including time series forecasting with a user-friendly interface for modeling ARIMA, VAR, and more. MATLAB. MATLAB provides a range of tools for time series analysis, including built-in functions for ARIMA, gauge, and spectral analysis. SPSS. SPSS offers time series analysis with features like ARIMA modeling, exponential smoothing, and forecasting capabilities. Minitab. Minitab is another great tool that offers time series analysis, allowing you to build model like ARIMA and perform smoothing techniques for forecasting. Whether you are a student, researcher, or professional, this tool can help you analyze and forecast time series data more effectively. Before you go, make sure to keep in touch with us to get more knowledge about time series analysis. This is part of a video series where we will be uploading more topics related to time series analysis, including hands-on tutorials using these software tools we just talked about. So, hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay updated. We'll see you in the next video.